Imagine you want to search for a student. You don't know the class. You can just come to the student, then search button, then you can search here, get the details of the student, okay, the class, the details, the parent and the guidance information. Imagine you can get it easily without you using the paper, searching for files, all this stuff. With Saidbyte School ERP, you can easily do that. To register a student, you can add a single student to the school. You can add a single student, then create the student. Or you can add bulk students by creating one after the other. After inputting these details, you create another one, then you create it. Or you can also import. Click on import from file, download the template. From the template you downloaded, there is sample there that is going to show you how to fill it. Just follow the template, the sample, then you will be able to fill it. After filling it, then you come here to upload it. So just as easy as that, to get a student, their classes, their information, their parents, their guardian, all this you can find it easily using the Saidbyte School ERP.